All right, let's talk about JourniTools. It claims to be the one tool you'll need for any trip. Does this feel familiar? Juggling a ton of apps and notes just to plan one single trip? Yeah, the old way is just chaos, but the new way, everything's in one seamless spot. And that's the whole idea, to be your go-to travel resource, all in one convenient place. Every great trip starts with planning, right? So let's start there, before you even pack your bags. First up, you get comprehensive travel guides for over 60 different countries around the world. And it's not just countries. We're talking detailed guides for over 100 cities too. Beyond the guides, you get some super practical tools to help you get everything ready to go. Have a specific diet? It makes finding trusted restaurant info and tips incredibly simple. And you can forget that pre-trip stress. The packing checklist makes sure you remember everything. Okay, you've landed. Now what? What do you need right there on the ground? This is where the app switches to on-the-ground essentials, the stuff you need immediately. You get crucial emergency numbers and embassy contacts. Total peace of mind right there. It even helps with practical stuff like voltage and socket types, so you're never caught out. Plus, you'll get info on things like public holidays, the weather, and how to get around. Now let's talk about the quick tools you'll be using while you're actually out exploring. Need to check a price? The currency converter gives you live exchange rates in a snap. You can also quickly flip between Fahrenheit and Celsius to really understand that weather forecast. And for everything else, simple converters for distance, weight, you name it, it's there. There's also a world clock, so you can easily track the time, both where you are and back home. So from planning on your couch to navigating a new city, every single step is covered. It really all comes down to this. You can plan with confidence, navigate with ease, and convert in seconds. So with all these tools in your pocket, there's really only one question left. Where to next?